Welcome to techsteppers.com. Today I'm going to show you few tips and tricks related to Windows operating system like Windows 7, Windows 10. Even this is applicable for your Windows servers. There are a lot of important tools that maybe many of you are not familiar, so I'm taking you through those tools. So today I'm going to show you the first one, that is the command line, like how we can access the command line on Windows 7, 10 or even Windows Server, and like how we can use it in a effective way for various functions on the system itself. Like if you want to see the host name of your machine, of your laptop, your desktop, your server, the command is host name. Same way, if you want to check IP address of your machine, the command is ipconfig. And then you will see here the list of adapters. Like I'm connected through Wi-Fi, so I'm able to see here like what is the IP address, which version I'm using, and other related details of the IP address. Same way, if you want to check details of your DNS and all other things, you can use option here slash and then all. So then it will give you a detailed overview. So now you can see even your DSCP details, DSCP, and then the IP version 6 detail here. Also IP version is given here, and then everything is given, including your physical adapter, its address, everything you can see here. Same way, so this ipconfig command is very useful command, and there are a lot of options, and if you are not aware about those options, you can simply use / then question mark. So that way you will be able to see all the options which are available with ipconfig. So this way you can utilize various attributes which are available with this particular command. Like all, you can see here renew. If you want to renew the IP address of your adapter, renew EL, release is there if you want to release IP address, and then all compartments option is there. So this is how there are lot many options that you can utilize. So now another important command which is available with your Windows is WMIC command. This command is very useful, like to see very important information on your laptop, your Windows machine. And I will start you with the basic commands. So let's say you want to take a look on the motherboard details of your laptop. Let's say you purchased a motherboard, you purchase a laptop, a system, a server. How you can take a look into various options, like various components or hardware details of your system. So WMIC is the tool that helps you to look into the things like WMIC. Then we have baseboard command, then baseboard, and then we will use get command, and then let's say serial number. Here we go. So we got the serial number of our laptop, our server, our desktop machine, or the kind of laptop or machine you have, like the laptop or desktop machine, whatever the computer you have. Same way, let's say you want to see the BIOS details of your machine, WMIC, then BIOS, then you can use get, and then name. So you will be able to see here the exact BIOS name the motherboard has on your laptop, on your computer. You can see that. Same way, now you can see the version detail. So we have, like my laptop is Lenovo 2 is the version of the BIOS, so that I'm able to see here. Same way, if you want to see the serial number, here is the serial number which we can get. Now let's say you want to take a look into different configuration of your operating system. So like even we can get that using WMIC tool. So for that we can use command boot config. So boot config, and then use get parameter, and through get parameter you use boot and then directory. So you see here we can see where our operating system is installed. Like my Windows 10 operating system is installed under C drive under directory name Windows. Same way you can take a look on other components of your laptop. Like let's say I want to get a name of CD-ROM. So what is the command? WMIC, then I use CD-ROM, then get, and then name. You see here it's showing here the CD-ROM, the DVD which is available within my laptop, that is available here. So this is how I can get different component name. So like the another example I will show you, WMIC, and then I will get computer system, that is the attribute I can use here, WMIC computer system, and then get, and then let's use name. So something is wrong, there is double T. So you see here, so this is equivalent to the host name command that I used in the starting of the video. So this is how you can get a detail of this. Same way, if you want to take a look into, let's say, your CPU details, then what is the command? WMIC, then I use CPU get, and then name. So see here, we are able to see my laptop has AMD CPU, and its frequency, its version A87410, everything it's giving here. Same way, if you want to take a look maybe on device ID, so then WMIC, then use CPU, then you use get, and then device ID, device and then ID. So we need to take care of the syntax here, because this is syntax based command, so we need to make sure that we are typing in the right syntaxes. So like device ID, and this laptop is giving just one CPU, so that's why it's giving here CPU 0. If it would have two CPUs, then it will give you CPU 0 and CPU 1. So all these commands are most common commands, and they are applicable not only for your Windows 10, Windows 10 desktop or client operating system, but also for the Windows Server. Even these are applicable on Windows Server. Same way, if you want to take a look into your disk drive, the command is WMIC, then disk drive, and then get, and then you can type here name. So you will see it's showing here two physical drives. Yes, because I have connected two physical drives to my system, so that's why it's showing you two physical drives, device 0 and device 1. And you can even validate that from here. If you go to any of the directory, then you will be able to see, let's say, uh, let me show you somewhere, maybe here I can show you somewhere. Yes, this is the one. So see here, I am able to see here, this is my external drive and this is my internal drive, which is giving the different details here. So all these relative information which are visually available us, we can take a look from the command line also. So this was a quick glimpse into one of the important tool, and this just stay tuned for my next video, wherein I will be taking you through another important tool for the Windows operating system. And thank you very much for watching my video. Stay tuned. Thanks.